Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. All of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin, just under this panel here. Okay, it's gonna be down here, you see. Now to access them, you have to remove a couple of trim pieces. You have to remove this piece here first. Then you want to remove this step trim piece that's down here. Then you can pop out this piece. And once you reach this fuse box, there is a small cover on top of it. You just want to pop it off. And then you can access the fuses. Okay, the first fuse to check will be this small 10 amp red fuse in the top left corner, and then you want to check this fuse right here. So this red fuse and the fuse on the top, these two fuses are for power windows and the power window switches. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.